Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Derecho. We are also live sa ating Love Radio Manila Facebook page. So eto na nga, mahal ko, ang ating Byahe Sender of the Night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Kaya basahin na natin, my love. Ito po ang biyahe ni Ellie. Hello po, DJ Lala. Any advice? Nagkakilala po kami noong September 1, 2019. Lagi po kaming magkasama. As in, araw-araw po sobra ko po siyang minahal at ganun din po siya sa akin. Kaso po dumating yung araw na need na naming maglayo. Noong June 21, umalis po siya. I'm from South, then siya naman ay nasa North na. Ganun po ba talaga yon when you are comfortable with a person or to a person, sobrang hirap malayo. To the point na parang ikamamatay mo. Any advice po? First time namin maging LDR. Well, Ellie, ganito, no? Of course, it's not just being comfortable with a person kapag first time nyo magkakahiwalay and kumbaga, first time nyo maglalayo in a very long time. From 2019 to 2022, so that is 3 years, halos bilang pa ako, di ba? 2 to 3 years, you've been used to the same routine over and over again. And whenever you want to see each other, it's not gonna be as tasky for you guys kasi nga isa lang kayo ng area. Now, kapag nagkalayo kayo, andun yung siguro parang andun yung void. Andun yung parang empty feeling na hindi nyo na makikita yung isa't isa as often as you would want to. Unlike before, kung gusto mo siya makita over the weekend, and dali-dali lang mag-schedule, magkita kayo over the weekend, and it's not gonna cost you that much, and hindi kayo mag-worry na, ay naku, baka wala na akong masakyan pa uwi, baka mahirap nang umuwi. Kumbaga wala na mga ganong dilema kasi you know, well in fact, na hindi ganon kalayo yung kailangan nyong i-travel just to be with each other. So, acceptable naman. Pero yung ikamamatay part, yun yung I cannot. Love, hindi naman. Hindi mo ikamamatay. Tsaka hello, north to south lang kayo. I mean, you can always meet in the middle. O, di ba? Pwede naman kayo mag-meet sa kalahati ng isa't isa. Kung sakasakali. Lagi itong meeting point ng mga north to south. Tapos, ang sasabihin, meet halfway tayo. Tapos, ang daya ng south. Kasi ang sasabihin nila, sige, mag-meet tayo sa MOA. Guys, hindi po hindi yun yung middle. Hindi yun yung middle ng north to south. Oo, feeling ko naman Luzon lang siya. O, diba? Hindi yun yung middle ng north to south. O, diba? Pag ganyan, medyo some kind na kayo, Cubao. Ganyan, Cubao. Fisher Mall, ayan. Yan yung mga medyo nasa gitna naman para hindi naman luging-lugi yung manggagaling sa North Luzon, o diba? Pero kung ang pinag-uusapan natin ay kailangan ng bus, tas ilang oras kayong magbabiyahe para makita ang isa't isa, well, my love, kailangan nyo na lang siyang schedule. You guys would have to adjust yung mga schedules ninyo and have to prioritize whatever it is that you need to do first, tapos schedule nyo yung isa't isa after nyo magawa yung mga bagay na kailangan mauuna. Kasi tanggapin nyo na lang to as a test sa relationship ninyo na near or far, if you know well in fact na yung 3 years na yon was enough to build a strong foundation sa relationship ninyo, this distance will be nothing to you guys. This distance won't even taint yung relationship na na-build ninyo over the 3 years kasi you know and you guys are confident na malakas or strong or matindi, matibay yung pagkakabuo nyo ng pundasyon ng relationship ninyo. I'm sure there will be struggles, there will be certain adjustments that you guys won't be happy about, pero wala namang hindi kinakaya, basta pwede nyong pag-uusapan ninyo, o diba, gagawan ninyo ng paraan. Sabi nga ng marami, diba, kapag gusto, may paraan, pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. Kaya naman, kabisyo, kung gusto nyong magkita, pwede pa rin naman. Pero you guys would have to exert a little more effort sa relationship ninyo. Siguro nasanay lang kayo for the 3 years na everything was a breeze for the both of you. Everything is, hindi naman simple, pero a lot simpler than this situation of yours right now. Pero I just do not think na ikamamatay nyo yan or ikasisira yan ng relationship ninyo. If not, kapag nalagpasan nyo to, kapag napagtugumpayan nyo to, kapag sabihin na natin, nakamanin nyo tong pagsubok na to, this will make you guys even stronger. So, Ellie, I know merong mga missing part. I understand, and yung mga concerns mo ay valid. Pero if this is for the better, individuality-wise, kung ito ay para sa career, ito ay para sa studies, ito ay because of family issues or family decision, I hope you guys could respect that and could, sabihin na natin, could accept that. Para kahit papano, my love, kapag dumating na kayo sa tamang edad, na pwede na kayong magsama, na pwede na kayong gumawa ng desisyon para sa inyong dalawa, lahat nakasuporta. Kasi alam nila sa mga sarili nila that you guys were mature enough to handle the long distance type of relationship just to give each other a room to prosper, a room to progress. Naintindihan mo ko, love? Kayang-kaya nyo to, Ellie. Pagsubok lang to sa relationship ninyo. This won't put an end to a beautiful relationship that you guys were able to build over the past 3 years. Pagsubok lang to. Lahat naman ng pagsubok, like everything else in life, may katapusan din. Okay?
Love Radio.